Best kitchen sink materials. Choosing the right kitchen sink material is crucial for both the functionality and the aesthetic appeal of one of the most used spaces in your home. The kitchen sink is not just a utilitarian feature but a central component of your kitchen's design. The material you select for your kitchen sink impacts everything from durability and maintenance to style and budget. The best kitchen sink materials include stainless steel for durability and versatility, granite composite for a balance of toughness and style, fireclay for a classic look, and natural stone for unique luxury. Each offers distinct advantages for different needs. We'll explore a variety of materials used for kitchen sinks, each offering unique benefits and distinctive styles. From the classic elegance of stainless steel to the rustic charm of copper and the modern appeal of quartz, understanding the properties of each material will help you make an informed decision. The importance of selecting the best kitchen sink materials. The materials of your kitchen sink dictate its durability, maintenance requirements, and visual appeal. It's not just about finding a good sink, it's about finding a material that suits your daily kitchen activities and fits your lifestyle. For instance, a busy home cook might prioritize durability and ease of cleaning, while another homeowner might focus on the style and how the sink complements the kitchen's decor. Best kitchen sink materials. Stainless steel sinks. Stainless steel is a popular choice for kitchen sinks, known for its durability and sleek appearance. It resists corrosion, withstands heat, and is easy to clean, making it a practical option for busy kitchens. It can be prone to scratches and water spots, requiring regular maintenance to keep it looking its best. Granite composite sinks. Granite composite sinks offer a blend of natural stone and acrylic resins, resulting in a durable, non-porous surface. They are resistant to scratches, chips, and heat, making them a long-lasting choice. These sinks come in various colors, allowing for customization to match your kitchen's decor. Regular cleaning with non-abrasive cleaners is recommended to maintain their appearance. Fireclay kitchen sinks. Fireclay sinks are made by molding ceramic clay into the sink shape and firing it at high temperatures for durability. They are known for their resistance to staining, scratching, and chipping. Fireclay sinks have a timeless appeal, fitting well in both traditional and modern kitchens. They can be more expensive than other materials and may require reinforced cabinetry due to their weight. Cast iron sinks. Cast iron sinks, coated with a layer of enamel, are known for their longevity and classic look. They are available in a variety of colors and styles, adding character to your kitchen. The enamel can chip over time, and the sink may require regular reglazing to maintain its appearance. Copper kitchen sinks. Copper sinks stand out for their unique aesthetics and natural antibacterial properties. The material develops a patina over time, which can add to its character but may not be to everyone's taste. Copper sinks require specific cleaners and are more susceptible to damage from acidic substances. Acrylic sink options. Acrylic sinks are lightweight and easy to install, available in a wide range of colors and styles. They are affordable and can mimic the appearance of more expensive materials. However, acrylic can scratch and stain more easily than other materials and may not withstand high temperatures. Natural stone sinks. Natural stone sinks, such as marble, granite, or soapstone, offer unique beauty and durability. Each sink has a distinct pattern, making it a statement piece in your kitchen. Stone sinks are heavy and may require special installation. They also need regular sealing to prevent staining and maintain their appearance. Ceramic sinks. Ceramic sinks are a classic choice, known for their glossy finish and resistance to stains and scratches. They fit well in both traditional and contemporary kitchen designs. However, ceramic can be prone to chipping, and the glossy surface may show water spots. Quartz sinks. Quartz sinks are made from a mixture of quartz dust and acrylic resins, offering a non-porous, durable surface. They resist stains and scratches and are easy to clean. Quartz sinks provide a modern look and are available in various colors and styles. Customization and design trends. In the realm of kitchen design, customization and staying abreast of current trends is key to creating a space that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. The kitchen sink, often a central feature, has evolved beyond its traditional roles, offering opportunities for personalization and design expression. Personalizing your sink. Customization options for kitchen sinks are vast and varied. Homeowners can choose from a range of materials, colors, and finishes to match their kitchen style. Advanced options include integrated accessories like cutting boards, colanders, and drying racks that fit seamlessly into the sink, enhancing both functionality and style. The shape and size of the sink can also be tailored to individual needs, with options ranging from large, single-basin sinks for spacious kitchens to more compact designs for smaller spaces. Current trends in sink design. Material mix. Combining different materials, such as stainless steel with natural stone countertops, is becoming popular for a contemporary look. Apron front sinks, also known as farmhouse sinks, these have gained popularity for their deep basins and exposed front, adding a rustic or traditional charm to the kitchen. Undermount sinks. These sinks are installed beneath the countertop, creating a seamless look and making countertop cleaning easier. Bold colors and finishes. Moving away from traditional silver and white, sinks in bold colors or with matte finishes are emerging as a trend, allowing homeowners to make a statement. Multifunctional sinks. Sinks with built-in cutting boards, ice buckets, or even herb gardens are on the rise, catering to the multitasking nature of modern kitchens. Eco-friendly materials. With a growing emphasis on sustainability, materials like recycled glass or bamboo are becoming popular choices for eco-conscious consumers. Smart sinks. Technological integration, including touchless faucets or sinks with built-in water filtration systems, reflects the growing trend of smart homes. Cost comparison among kitchen sink materials. When selecting a kitchen sink, the cost is a significant factor to consider, as it varies widely across different materials. Understanding the price range of each material can help homeowners make an informed decision that aligns with their budget and preferences. Pricing of different materials. Stainless steel, generally the most affordable option. Prices vary based on gauge, thickness, and quality, but it's a cost-effective choice for most budgets. Granite composite, mid-range in terms of pricing. More expensive than stainless steel, but less costly than natural stone, offering a balance of durability and aesthetics for its price. Fireclay tends to be on the higher end due to its manufacturing process and durability. It's a long-term investment for those seeking a classic, enduring look. Cast iron, price depends on size and enamel quality. Generally, it's more expensive than stainless steel but less so than high-end materials like natural stone. Copper, high-end in terms of pricing, especially for pure copper sinks. Its unique aesthetic and antimicrobial properties contribute to its higher cost. Acrylic, among the least expensive options, making it a budget-friendly choice. Prices increase for higher quality or designer models. Natural stone, the most premium option, including materials like marble, granite, or soapstone. Each sink is unique, contributing to its luxury price tag. Budget considerations. While the initial cost is important, it's also crucial to consider the long-term value. Durable materials like granite composite or fireclay might have a higher upfront cost but can offer greater longevity and less need for replacement. In contrast, more affordable options like stainless steel or acrylic may require more frequent updates or may not align with certain style preferences. Additionally, installation costs can vary based on the complexity of the sink design and the existing kitchen setup. Undermount sinks, for example, typically require professional installation, adding to the overall cost. In summary, when comparing costs, it's essential to balance the initial investment against long-term value, maintenance needs, and aesthetic preferences to choose the best kitchen sink material for your home. Final thoughts on best kitchen sink materials. In conclusion, selecting the right kitchen sink material is a balance of functionality, style, and budget. Whether it's the durability of stainless steel, the elegance of fireclay, or the unique charm of copper, each material offers distinct advantages. Consider your lifestyle, kitchen design, and maintenance preferences to make a choice that not only meets your practical needs, but also enhances the heart of your home, the kitchen.